Hello and welcome to a video. My name is Shaitan, and in this video we'll look at adding a countdown timer to your page in JD Builder in your Joomla website. So a countdown timer is really useful if you have an upcoming event or a launch or anything that you know is going to happen in a future day and time, and you want to attract more visitors, or you want to tell your users that something like that is happening. Let's go ahead and add the countdown timer. We can do it any place. I think this looks like a good place, so we'll just add it here. So let's do plus and countdown. All right, you can see our countdown timer is there already, and then you have the default dates, and again, so there's a notice here that tells you this time is based on your Joomla website's configuration. So you select a date and a time and make sure that it is based on your Joomla website's configuration. So if you don't have the time right there, you might not be able to set, you might not see the time you're expecting. So do that. And then so select a day. Let's say we want to make it one day or whatever. And then you can select, let's say one day, I want to say 6 p.m. Yeah, so this should be in 2 days for me. Yep. Okay. So I say 6 p.m. would be 1800. All right, so you can see one day, 1800 hours, 58 minutes and 45 seconds. That's exactly the time to this one. And then you have the option to how the layout you want. So you can do a block layout where it appears like this, the time is above, or you can do an inline layout where the time is to the right, where this text is to the right. Now you also have an option to hide particular segments of this. So you can either hide seconds or minutes or hours. So let's say you only want to display minutes and seconds, you can do that. Or you only want to display hours and days, you can do that. Now, even though this may look like it's not live, but it actually is. So when the hour changes or the day changes, this will change in real time, assuming the user is on the page. Then you have the option for labels. You can either hide the labels completely or auto labels, which are days, hours, and custom. Now, custom can be really useful if you're trying to put this in a different language, Swedish, in Swedish, days might be called something else. Same goes for Spanish or Chinese or German or Dutch or any of those languages. I think German and Dutch are the same, but or maybe not. But either way, you get the idea. So yeah, no, German and Dutch are not the same. Yeah. So you can do that, and then after expire, so when the time comes, if you want to show a particular message, so you want to show maybe, oh, thanks for, waiting, you can go here to download our product, or, put a link or something. So you can totally do that. Or if you want to redirect them somewhere, you can put a URL and then the user will be redirected there. Okay. There's also hide and show message, which what I'll do is, let me just show you. So let's set it for today. And obviously the time is, we're out of time already. So there's a 4. We're 5, 23. Yeah, okay, so 23, and then we can say 02, no, 09, okay, yeah, 5, yeah, you can see, boom. So 10 seconds, and hide and show message, HTTPS, well, obviously the redirect is not going to work because, it doesn't work in iframes, but you can see it automatically shows and then takes care of everything. So, and if this wasn't an iframe, it would have redirected the user to this URL. So that works really well. Then you have the countdown styling. So this lets you style the countdown. So let me add an hour here. Okay, so that's good. Go to the countdown styling. You can change the background color of this, which is white right now. You can change the text color of this. You can change the border. You can change the text color of this. You can add a shadow if you like. So there you go. There's a little bit of shadow. So again, this is totally flexible. It's same amount of options that you have, standard amount of options that you have throughout the builder that let you do a lot when it comes to modifying or managing how any of this looks like. And that's pretty much it. That's how you create a countdown timer in JD Builder. I hope I've been clear and this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.